guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a rainy day, so we decided to make soup. The soup we're making is chicken manchow soup. It's one of my favorites. Let's get started. The ingredients are chicken stock, mushroom, cooked chicken, finely chopped capsicum, finely chopped carrots, finely chopped cabbage, corn slurry, soy sauce, green chili, coriander leaf, chopped coriander leaf, spring onion, garlic, and ginger. I forgot to mention that you will need one whisked egg, salt and pepper, and also some oil. In a heated pan, add some oil. Add garlic and ginger. Add green chili. Add carrots. Add all your vegetables. Let it cook. Add a little bit more oil. The vegetables are soft now. We're gonna add salt and pepper. Add soy sauce. Add your chicken breast. Add the chicken stock. Let it boil. The soup is starting to boil. As you can see, our soup is starting to boil. Now we're going to add the cornstarch and the whisked egg. Our soup is almost ready. Add some rice vinegar. garnish with some coriander leaves and spring onion. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.